Hello friends, it's Becky Bridgham, and I wanted to come and do a quick video about a pretty awesome opportunity that's only good for 72 hours. So the 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th. So maybe that's more than 72 hours, about the next 3 days or so, okay? So I have been sharing all month that we have our 18th anniversary this year. And so you can become a 31 consultant for $18. It's kind of a mini kit. You know, we have our standard kits of $59.99 and $179 all the time. They're totally customizable. They're fantastic kits. But if they're a little bit out of your investment or your price range, an $18 mini kit is an awesome way to try out being a consultant for like less than taking your kids to McDonald's. I mean, it's super cheap. It's 18 bucks, right? And it's not just $18, you get product, okay? You're gonna get a pack of catalogs, you're going to get a zip top organizing utility tote and a zipper pouch. Now these are old patterns. Well, this is a new pattern. This is an old pattern. You're gonna get to pick out your patterns. I just grabbed these to show you that, you know, these are our classic styles. We've had them for many years. But people love them. They're probably one of the ones that people use the most. So you're gonna get an organizing utility tote. You're gonna get to personalize it. You're gonna get a zipper pouch. You're gonna get to personalize it for 18 bucks, and you get to start a business right before the busy shopping season of the year. That already is amazing, right? But wait, there's more. For the next 3 days, so the 26th, 27th, 28th, or 29th, if you sign up as a consultant, whether you buy that $18 kit or you get one of the bigger ones, doesn't matter. They're also gonna send you a Ruby Mini and a wrist strap in the houndstooth. Again, I don't have that, but I wanted to show you what you're gonna get. So you're gonna get 4 products, which I just dropped on the floor. Let me grab them. Bum, bum, bum. You're gonna get 4 products, right? For $18. You can't even buy this itself for $18, right? Like, this is a super great deal, but it's only good for the next few days. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll put all the details in the description of the video. Now is the time. Like, and also, like, here's the thing. 31, I've been doing this for 8 years. I started out just because I wanted to buy gifts at a discount, right? I didn't start out with the idea of having a career, and you might not want a career. But for $18, you can buy your own holiday gifts and get them at a discount. You can earn free perks. You can have other people shop from you at this season that earn yourself some cash for Christmas. Come on, it's like the best season to begin for 18 bucks. I mean, it's like a win-win. There's just like no other way around it. So let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, hope you have a great day. Bye.